Hello, my friends. Welcome. Day 17. You are practicing every day stretches and meditation. So proud of you. Thank you so much for doing it. You are building great habit. You are moving. Movement is life, right? If we don't move, we don't live. So let's move. Send your arms all the way forward, reaching them up, inverting them, and gently dropping your right palm down, walking the fingertips away from you, lowering the torso gently down, keeping your elbows on the ground softly bent. And when you're ready, you switch the sides, the other palm on the ground and the other one up above you, gently lowering the elbow closest to the ground, but keeping it soft. Few more, two more, one more. Gently lift back up, arms parallel to the ground. Let's turn your palms up and gently lower. Turn them up and lower. Turn them up. And gently lower down. Connect your palms behind you. Inhale, chin chest up. Send your arms behind. And on the exhale, release the palms and fold forward for a moment. Let's lift up and place your knees again down onto the blanket. Shake those hips a little bit. Shake them. Let's begin in puppy stretch. You're going to keep the toes tucked and you're going to walk your fingertips forward away from you. Keep walking them away and gently lowering your chest down, your chin down to the ground. Stay on the fingertips. This is a very active puppy stretch. And when you're ready, walk your palms back, up towards you. Come up onto the knees, reach your arms up into the air. And let's lower one arm behind you and lean gently back. Reach your arms back up and switch the other palm down and lean back. Inhale up and switch. We're preparing for the camel pose. Reach up and gently lower down. Reach up. And if you're ready, go ahead for your full camel. Both palms will lower onto the heels. You can keep the toes tucked or release the toes up to you, gently shifting your hips back, reaching your chest up. 3, 2, and 1. Gently lift back up. And find your child's pose. Knees are separated apart, toes are together, and you're lowering your forehead down. Gently rolling your forehead side to side. Maybe bringing one ear to the ground. And switching the other ear to the ground. And lift those hips back up. And that will be all for today. If you would like to continue, you know what to do. Click the link and continue with a longer yoga practice. Or repeat what we just did today. Or go ahead for the meditation. Find a comfortable seat. You can lean against the wall or against the pillow. Close your eyes. Palms are facing up on top of the knees. Faces relaxed. And enjoy your meditation. Meditation, we focus on the breathing. We focus right in between the eyebrows, right here, your third eye. You're focusing right there, and you're breathing in and out, letting all your thoughts fly away. No thinking during meditation, only focusing on the breathing and the sensations running through the body. Thank you so much for joining me. Enjoy your day.